Welcome everyone. Question on chemical bonding. Bond order and magnetic property of He2 plus ion are. Choices are A 1/2 paramagnetic, B 1/2 diamagnetic, C 1.5 paramagnetic, D 1.5 diamagnetic. Answer is A 1/2 paramagnetic. Explanation we will see in the next slide. The electron configuration of the helium atom is 1s2. He2 plus ion contains one helium atom and one He plus ion. Therefore, the He2 plus ion has 2 electrons for one helium atom plus 1 electron for one He plus ion is equal to 3 electrons. The molecular orbital configuration of the He2 plus ion is sigma 1s bonding 2, sigma 1s antibonding 1. Therefore, the total number of electrons in the bonding molecular orbitals Nb is equal to 2 and the total number of electrons in the antibonding molecular orbitals Na is equal to 1. We know that bond order is equal to Nb minus Na by 2. Now we put the values of Nb and Na in this equation. Therefore, the bond order is equal to 2, which is the value of Nb, minus 1, which is the value of Na by 2, or bond order is equal to 1/2. So, the bond order of the He2 plus ion is 1/2. Since the He2 plus ion has one unpaired electron in the antibonding molecular orbital, it is paramagnetic. Thank you for watching this video.